Thanks for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC, off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island. Today we're looking at a 2016 GMC Sierra 3500 in white with gray cloth interior, seating for 6, 4 doors, and 2 regular, 2 smaller, with an 8-foot box. This has a 6.6 liter V8 engine, and it's a 4x4. It's also a diesel. It's easy to get into this truck. Just talk to our sales team. They'd be happy to take you out on a test drive. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. The driver's seat is manually adjusted. Your lighting controls are located here, and your trailer brake controller is located there. Your grab handle in the body makes it easier to get in, and your steering wheel can tilt. On the face of it, you have your cruise control, and when we start up the vehicle, we're going to see any important messages, as well as your odometer reading, and your hazard lights are located right there. On the automatic select shifter, you have tow haul, and when you press that, you will see it appear a little truck trailer to the left, just under the RPM. Then it goes off again. In the center you have a display screen, and you have your media, AM, FM, and as well when you put the vehicle in reverse, this is where you're going to see your backup camera view. Below is your climate control with AC. You have heated mirrors and front defrost, and down below is traction control, the high mount light in the back, and exhaust brake. You also have your 4x4 on the floor that you can shift, and there's cup holders as well as a bin. You can open this up, and there's more storage inside, and you're seeing your auxiliary line in, USB outlets. You can just close that up, and then you can flip the seat up, and that gives you another seating position, and it's just a solid seat. You've got an extra seat belt off to the side here. Off on the right hand side in front of the passenger, you have your glove compartment that's locking, a auto dimming rear view mirror, and there's your lighting controls off to the side, and you also have a sunglass holder. There's a grab handle both in the body and up above to make it easier to get in for the passenger. 18-inch wheels, mud flaps, black door handle and side view mirror, driver's side fuel cap. The black handle extends to the tailgate, and the tailgate is lockable. On the bumper, which is chrome, you've got those nice cab steps on either side, making it easier to get in. You also have a 4 and 7 pin connector and a trailer hitch. And then when we open up the box, you're going to see inside, it's nicely lined. This is an 8-foot box, so lots of room, and there's tie downs in all 4 corners. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power windows. You have seating for 3 in the back, and this is a bench seat, so you can pull the tabs at the base. There's one on either end that you pull, and the seat will go right up. This gives you more room on the floor. There's grab handles in the body, and there's slim pockets on the back of the seats for extra storage, or slim things like coloring books. Up above you have your lighting, handles and hooks, and in the back access to a big window. Chrome and black bumper, mud flaps, 8-foot box, privacy glass in the back windows with window vents, heated and powered side view mirrors, hood deflector, HID headlights, tow hooks, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.